Hi, my name is Alan Ostenfeld and I'm the co-founder and COO of Jagofon. Born and raised in Indonesia, I have a background in education and digital marketing. I was running the operations of a leading Australian agency in Indonesia and decided to quit my job when my friend/co-founder Stefan Beckart, who I worked with in his previous startup, told me about his idea for Jagofon. Stefan is a serial tech entrepreneur with 20 plus years of experience in telecom, internet and finance. We believe that technology empowers people by giving them access to information and communication. The smartphone in particular is the gateway to the digital world. In a post-COVID world, it's even more than that. It's how people work, access education, and for the underprivileged in Indonesia, payment and money itself. It's a lifeline for them. Jagofon is Indonesia's first marketplace specialized in secondhand smartphones. Our vision is to empower people by rebuilding trust in the secondhand smartphone market, providing top quality yet affordable phones. We follow a meticulous selection and testing methodology to bring you the very best because 40% of the phones available in the market are somewhat defective. And by buying from us, you're giving a second life to a device, thus helping to reduce electronic waste and protect the environment. We want to prove that sustainability and affordability can go hand in hand. Plug and Play is a leading accelerator program from Silicon Valley, and GK Plug and Play is the most established in Indonesia with great and highly reputable corporate partners, mentors, and investors. Therefore, it has always been our first choice. The team of GK Plug and Play have been excellent in terms of competence and approachability. We have thoroughly enjoyed the learning experience through their workshops and introduction to their corporate partners, mentors, and investors. Advice for other startups: focus on solving a big and real problem. Only then will you create value. Jagofon, your trusted secondhand smartphone marketplace.